Alana here, and guess what? It's officially summer, and I'm so excited. I'm sure you guys are too, but you're probably wondering, how do I keep my makeup in place when it's super hot and sweaty outside, or how do I keep my skin intact when I'm dry and gross? I get it, okay? I get it. And I'm here to show you some of the products, makeup, and skincare that I use all summer long in this hot weather season. So I live in Florida, so it's hot and humid all year long basically. And so some of these products I use for summer, some of them I use all year long. And I just wanted to show you some of those products. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to show is some of the makeup products that I use. And a lot of these are just to help you get through the summer season. So the first thing I have here is this primer. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer infused with peach and sweet fig cream. And let me tell you guys, this smells so good. It smells like peaches, and I love peaches, so this is great. It really is mattifying, and it's great to use under your makeup and to help it stay in place when you're sweating or you're just on the go and it's really hot outside. So I just have a sample because I didn't know if I would like it, but I do, so I'd probably go back and buy a full size. So this is great. Next thing I have is another priming, setting type of thing that I believe is super essential over the summertime. So I have the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I know you've probably seen this all over the internet, but it really is great to set your makeup with. So it's just like that. I'll have a zoom in on it, but this is really great to set your foundation and concealer with. It helps it stay in place for hours, and it really doesn't budge when you're sweating and really hot over the summer. So the final setting makeup item that I have is this De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray by Urban Decay, and it's oil control. And this is really, really essential over summer. If you're gonna go out with a full face of makeup, with just light makeup, anything is just gonna keep it all together. So I just spray this all over when I'm done with my makeup, and it will stay for a pretty long time. So the next thing I have is just a little tip for foundation. So during the summer, you're probably going to be at the pool all day, or going to the beach a lot, or just tanning outside in the sun. So your skin's going to get tanner. At least I get a lot tanner over summer. But you don't want to go out, get color match, and buy a brand new foundation for a lot of money, right? So what I like to do is take my normal all year long foundation. Right now it's the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation, and I love this. I think it is such a great formula. It really does cover a lot of imperfections. It's just lightweight, it's great. And so I take this and I pump as much as I need on the back of my palm, just half of that, and then I take an inexpensive drugstore foundation. So right now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte Plus Poreless. It's just like this, and I get it in a darker skin tone, but not too dark. And I mix it with my other foundation, and I'll use that all summer long to match my darker shade until I get back to my normal year-long shade. So that was more of a heavy foundation look, a full makeup. But what I like to do during summer when I don't want to wear a full face of makeup and feel really heavy, I'm just going out for a little bit, is I like to use powder foundation. So what I've been using for a really long time is this Studio MAC Fix foundation, and it's just a powder foundation like this, and it comes with a little sponge, but I don't use that. And I love this stuff. It's super full coverage, but it doesn't feel like you have anything on your face. And so that's why I love that. And I just use this Real Techniques buffing brush with it. And I absolutely love this powder foundation. I even use it over my normal liquid foundation to kind of really set it in. But it's just a great foundation, full coverage, will still cover up all your impurities and give you even color all over without that feeling of being drowned by your liquid foundation. Next thing I have is this Tarteist Black Double Take Eyeliner, and I just picked this up at Sephora, and so far I love it. I use it to do my eyeliner and my wings. So one side is this liquid pen that you've probably seen everywhere, and it's so smooth application, and it really is like the blackest eyeliner I've ever had. Like, I needed like swipe once and it's like all there. And then what makes this really cool is the other side is this gel eyeliner pen, which I think is super dope. I usually don't use gel pen eyeliners, but I think I might start for when I don't want to do like a wing look, just like to line the bottom or like the top just a little bit. So that's really great, and I'm loving that so far. So moving on to like skincare products I use during the summer, I've really started to stray away from using makeup remover wipes. I just feel like I've been running to the store like once a week, buying like a $10 pack of wipes, and then it lasting me just like a couple of days. I just feel really wasteful, and so what I found is this fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acid and gently cleanses face and eyes. So it says that it's for all skin types, and it's an extra gentle gel cleanser that instantly wicks away everyday impurities and makeup, even mascara, without stripping the skin of essential moisture. So I think this is really important during the summertime because you'll be sweating all over the place. You'll probably be drying your face out in the pool, and you really don't want to take away those like essential nutrients that you need for your skin. So I love this cleanser. I just have like the sample size because I got it in like a Sephora box. Like, it has a lot of like samples, but I think I'm gonna go back and buy the full size of this because it really is just a great product, and it does take away all your makeup at the end of the day without feeling like wasteful with all those makeup wipes. So the next thing I have is something that I've loved for a really long time. It's a moisturizer, and over the summertime I really packed this stuff on. It's the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. It looks like this. I just have a sample one because really this goes such a long way, and I love this stuff. I think it is so moisturizing, and it feels so good on your face once you apply it. And I've really seen a difference with that. I used to be like really oily in like 5 seconds, but as I've been using this, I've noticed my face looking a little more like drier and clean and just a lot more moisturized. The next thing I have is this Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Cucumber, and Green Tea, and I love this stuff. I use this after I've been wearing makeup for a long day and I take it off and my skin's just kind of like hating me. This is kind of like a rejuvenating spray just to like pump back in all those nutrients that I lost when it was like suffering under all that makeup, and it's just so great. It's infused with nutrient-rich botanicals and cucumber essential water. This facial mist delivers a cooling boost of hydration as green tea provides powerful antioxidant protection, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. So I love this stuff. I spray it on like religiously after when like wearing makeup and my face is feeling not so great. So this is great. So the next thing I have is just 2 hair products that I think are really essential during the summertime. So the first one I have is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo, and it's the Clean and Classic Original version. And I think this is really essential to have during the summertime because you should not be shampooing your hair every single day. And if you've been doing that during like the school year or over like the whole year, then during the summer is a really good time to start like conditioning your hair to not be shampooed every single day. So I have really oily hair, so I washed my hair every single day during the school time, and that was so damaging to my hair. Even though I didn't use any hot products on it, I would still be getting split ends and damage. And so I researched and I found out that shampooing your hair is really bad, and that you can condition it to not need shampoo and get oily by using dry shampoo on your non-wash days and just keeping up with that. It's really important that you don't strip away your hair of essential nutrients and oils, and that's why it's like over oiling and making your hair all gross after just one day of a wash. So the next product I have is, I just have like the shampoo to show, but it's the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Smooth and Serene Shampoo. So I love this brand. They also have conditioner and body wash, and they even have dry shampoo, and I love it. It's vegan, it's good for the environment. They use like recycled plastic. I love this stuff. It's really good for your hair once you do shampoo it. And it's infused with golden argan oil for healthy looking hair. And that's really important for your hair. That's a great oil to help bring back in those nutrients that you lost. And it smells so good. I love the lavender line, but they also have a ton of other different smells. And this is just a great product. I really recommend it. I have like their whole line, and it's really great. Recommend this. So guys, that's it for my summer favorites. Just a little short video showing you guys what I've been using, what I'm going to use, what I've loved, and I thought you guys would want to know. So tell me how I did in the comments. Please like and subscribe and comment. It really would mean the world to me for you guys to subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber still, and I'm just trying to get my footing in, so please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!